Today, I'm diving into 10 skin hacks that promise to transform my routine. Let's see if they really live up to the hype. Achieving healthy, glowing skin is a goal for many of us, and it's not just about vanity, it's about feeling confident and comfortable in our own skin. That's why I'm excited to share these 10 skin hacks that can help you overcome common skin challenges and take your skincare routine to the next level. We've all been there, dealing with dry, dull skin that looks like it's been through a desert storm. Or, on the other hand, fighting acne and breakouts that just won't budge. And don't even get me started on the frustration of dealing with hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone. But what if I told you there are some simple, yet game-changing hacks that can help you tackle these issues and more? From waking up with a dull, sluggish complexion to dealing with sensitivity and irritation, our skin can be a real mystery. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of trying new products and treatments, only to be left feeling disappointed and frustrated when they don't deliver the results we want. But, what if we could simplify our skincare routine and focus on a few key hacks that really make a difference? Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, I think we can all agree that finding a routine that works for us is a constant journey. And that's exactly why I'm excited to share these 10 skin hacks with you. They're simple, easy to implement, and can make a real difference in the health and appearance of your skin. Hack number 1: exfoliate with a chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs. This will help break down dead skin cells and unclog pores, revealing smoother, brighter skin. Hack number 2: use a facial massager to increase blood flow and stimulate collagen production, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hack number 3: swap out your regular moisturizer for a facial oil that's rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which can help hydrate and nourish your skin. Hack number 4: try a face mask that contains charcoal or clay, which can help absorb impurities and draw out toxins. Hack number 5: add a toner to your routine that's rich in witch hazel or rose water, which can help balance your skin's pH and reduce the appearance of pores. Hack number 6: invest in a good eye cream that's rich in peptides and hyaluronic acid, which can help reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Hack number 7: use a gentle, non-foaming cleanser that's formulated for your skin type, which can help cleanse your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Hack number 8: try a lip scrub that contains sugar or salt, which can help exfoliate and nourish your lips. Hack number 9: use a body scrub that contains coffee or coconut oil, which can help reduce the appearance of cellulite and leave your skin feeling smooth and soft. Hack number 10: get enough sleep and try to reduce stress, which can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy, glowing skin. Out of all these hacks, I have to say that using a facial massager has been the most impactful for me. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a big difference in the appearance of my skin. I've noticed that my skin looks smoother, more radiant, and just more healthy overall. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes a day. To recap, we've covered 10 skin hacks that can help you achieve healthy, glowing skin, from exfoliating with a chemical exfoliant to getting enough sleep and reducing stress. Remember, it's all about making small changes to your routine that can add up to make a big difference over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite skin hack. If you want to see more beauty tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing even more of my favorite skincare secrets.